In the equity quadrant, taking a look at the best performer of the day in terms of U.S. indices, the June Russell 2000 future. On a day when the NASDAQ struggled to get above the flat line, small caps outperformed. There's still a little bit of time left in the day, but we're approaching the highest close for the Russell 2000 future in exactly 2 years. March 28th, 2022 would be the last time we closed higher than the current level in the Russell 2000 futures contract. It needs to close above 2280 for this to remain true. And today was a straight up session. The low today, 2095.80. That was a 15 basis point gap higher from yesterday's close of 2092.60. And on the low today, on the high today, 2180.70, we were up 1.73%. This puts the Russell up 4 of the last 6 sessions and moves it to about 13.5% from its all-time high. So moving in the right direction. This evening, we've got a Fed speaker. Fed Governor Christopher Waller is speaking at the Economic Club of New York. Now, Christopher Waller is the leader of what I call the What's the Rush contingent of the FOMC. And this is, of course, referring to the rate cuts that Jerome Powell said will likely be appropriate this summer. We're in spring now, so we're fast approaching the summer. So if he somehow is converted into one of the rate cut believers, we could see it push equities even higher in the next few days. And if you look at what's been happening with yields in the Treasury curve, U.S. Treasury yields have been down 3 of the last 4 sessions after dropping last week as well. And that's helped the Russell outperform as the index that represents the most companies that might go to the debt markets to help fund their operations. That would be the Russell, that would be small caps. So watch Christopher Waller and watch yields as we look across the curve today. The 5-year was down 4 basis points, 10-year down 5, 30-year down 4. The 2-year was still up 1, pointing to maybe a less aggressive Fed in terms of rate cuts, but all of that pointed to a Russell that finished up near the highs of the day.